Imagine the suffering that could be avoided and how our lives could be transformed if we could avoid and more easily overcome our unhelpful habits and addictions to food, alcohol, drugs, the internet, shopping, gambling, and so on. How can wisdom help us avoid these problems and deal with them? The problem of addiction begins in our thinking, and so the answer also lies there. By understanding what makes our mind, which is otherwise so intelligent, slide into addiction and not be able to stop itself, despite knowing the dangers of it. If we can use our wisdom to go deeper and understand why, perhaps addiction could be prevented, and prevention is so much easier. One of the factors behind addiction is our need to escape from our stress and our emotional pain. Alcohol and drugs are one way of numbing this pain. Another reason is the way we are unconsciously influenced by our environment. If many people around us are taking drugs and seem to have a good time, we want that for ourselves. We don't want to be left out of the group. Addiction affects 10 to 15% of us, so you're not alone. It impacts our physical and mental health and affects all our loved ones. Understanding our conditioning and using our wisdom to deal with emotional pain can help us avoid addiction and make the changes we need to live happier lives.